321. And we're here on the Upper West Side so that you don't have to be. As I said, it's Wednesday, December 8th. And we're near the corner of Central Park West and 72nd Street. We're on 72nd Street. And we're adjacent to the Montana, the Dakota. And this is the anniversary date of the fatal shooting of John Lennon 43 years ago today at this very spot.
Alright guys, I won't start backing up.
At or near this very spot. I don't think there are any pedicabs back there. So just a small crowd of people outside the Dakota. Can you have a small crowd? Like, okay. But across the street, a much bigger crowd. And across the street is the entrance to the section of Central Park that, I don't know, for most of the last 40 years has been called Strawberry Fields and was redesigned as Strawberry Fields. So, whoops, that was going through a red light. Interestingly, to some, maybe when I checked Google Maps just now for the path to Strawberry Fields, it did guide me here, but it shows this, former, well, it's still a roadway, but at one time it was used as part of going cross town on 72nd Street. But in Google Maps now, the roadway doesn't show at all. It just displays as a path. Okay. And I know that's more interesting than the anniversary of John Lennon's death. So, I saw on YouTube today that a year ago today, 42nd anniversary, a lot of live music in Strawberry Fields, electric keyboards and guitars, basses, drums, not electric drums, performing Beatles songs, of all things.
Sampy.
Second verse.
Follow her down to a green fountain. Everyone smiles as you drift past the flowers that grow so incredibly high. Newspaper taxis appear on the shore, waiting to take you away.
De la música de los Beatles.
Nada más te aviso, un fulano.
Pero parando.
Like,
All about me. Can't believe you found that, man. That's funny. It's like a book. It finds you.
Na escola que
Yeah, so it was kind of funny, and it was the song was so the lyrics were so ridiculous.
Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry, sir. So that's it. Not too much interest in this anniversary date here at the exit from Strawberry Fields. Friday, September 8th, 2023. This is infrared. This is what you've been watching.
Go to the park.